Hey everybody. Check. Shit, it's a glasses problem. What does the sign say? Oh. He's a bad disguise to guard me on the darkest night. I keep fighting my way to the harshest words. It's a strange, strange vision of this love. Oh, standing in a world of my own, they call it reckless love. Oh, so give me a chance to remember what I've given up to defend you. I have burned my dreams away, standing in the broken shadow of a reckless love. Oh, standing in a world of my own, they call it reckless love. Oh. What does that sign say?
It's really good.
You see it? What? One more time? This sign? Firecracker, Jesus Christ. Charlie has to go with old Steel Train song. You waved in the night. Something that I saw was a flame. Your body, shit's coming back. It was real alive. On the 4th of July, we were screaming. Well, I saw the lonely road. You left and said to me, don't follow. I'll only bring you sorrow. Oh, down that lonely road. You left and I just said no. I said no. Shit, that's crazy. Sorry, I have an ongoing habit of playing to thousands of people and then just having a moment with one person and playing a song that there's no chance any, like, 6 people here know it, man. Probably you and Michaela, damn. Or maybe 10. Wow. Wow, you made me feel